Okay, so I am in the garden and a couple of my garlics and onions are falling over and they are ready to be harvested. I went ahead and picked a couple. Here is an onion. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it's falling over. That's how you know when it's ready. And I'm gonna go ahead and harvest that onion. So I could have left it in a little longer, but it's falling over and I could use the space. So let's go ahead and harvest that. It's a little small one. And there's some more garlic. It's a nice size garlic. I'm loving it. Let's turn the camera this way. And I've got some more. And this was just onions. So that had started to flower. And so I'm starting to clear up this area because I want to make a nice little pathway. I'm sorry the air condition is in the background, but I'm clearing up this way so I can make a nice little pathway through the garden. And let's do some more garlic right here. That is a nice garlic. It's a nice size. And we've got a couple more back here. So, let's see. It's a nice size garlic. Here. Whoa, this is a really good size. Look at that. And let's see. Got another one. That one's kind of small, but that's okay. Nice size garlic. Got a couple. It's a little one. And I think that's it. That's the rest that I left. So now I have room. I have a little pathway right here, and it's gonna take me all the way around this path where my tomatoes are. So yeah, so as I harvest things, I start to prune, just do a little bit of maintenance, but then I'm also redesigning my garden. So each time you see a video, the garden will look different. So, all right, so I think that's it. Got a couple of carrots. I did pull out one carrot. I've been harvesting some of my tomatoes that are growing, but I think that's it for now. I'll probably leave that cabbage in for another week or so. But as you can see, I have a circular pathway around the garden, so I could actually walk clear around. So just wanted to show you. This is the last remaining my garlic and onions. Pretty excited. And then I did leave some to flower, so I'll cut this off and let this dry off. But yeah, so there is my garlic and purple onion harvest. First harvest 2021. Go ahead and dream. You can dream.
You hear yourself?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.